In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Smartsheet Bridge. Understanding this process will give you a powerful tool to automate workflows and connect different applications seamlessly. So, let's dive right in by heading over to the website app.smartsheet.com, where you'll begin by signing into your Smartsheet account using the credentials you usually use. Now, this initial step is quite straightforward, but it's crucial to double-check your login details to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you're successfully logged into Smartsheet, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate over to the Bridge portal. To do this, simply type bridge.smartsheet.com into your web browser. Opening this portal is an essential step because Bridge is the feature we're focusing on today. It really acts as a kind of glue that holds various applications together, enabling you to achieve smoother operations in your workflow. As you arrive at the Bridge portal, you'll need to sign in once more. It's important to use the same credentials you used at the beginning when you logged into your main Smartsheet account. This ensures all your personal settings and accesses are consistent and, of course, secure. At this point, you might encounter a small hurdle. There's a chance that the bridge might not be enabled for your current plan. But don't worry, this isn't the end of the road. In such cases, you may need to request access from your Smartsheet admin. They're the ones with the ability to make the necessary adjustments or even find alternative solutions to provide you with the access you need. It's just a matter of initiating a bit of communication, and your admin should be able to assist you quickly and efficiently. It's worth noting that Bridge is typically included in enterprise plans, or it can be purchased separately as an add-on. If you're uncertain about the details of your current plan, checking this information is quite simple. Head over to your account settings and take a look at the Plan and Billing Info section. This area should provide all the necessary details about what features are included in your plan. If you're still unclear, or if there are any discrepancies, reaching out to Smartsheet support can be incredibly helpful. They're well equipped to assist users with access issues and can clarify any questions or concerns you might have about your subscription. With these steps in mind, accessing Smartsheet Bridge should be a pretty straightforward process, allowing you to harness this feature to enhance your productivity and streamline your tasks. By integrating various applications and automating workflows through Smartsheet Bridge, you can significantly optimize your project management skills. Good luck with your Smartsheet experience, and I hope this guide was helpful in demystifying the process of accessing Smartsheet Bridge. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and guides.